children, today let's start with chapter number 6, safety and first aid. So accidents can happen anywhere at any time. Because pain and suffering, we must always be careful and think of our safety before we take any. So house, road, school, playground and bus are the few places where we can get hurt if we are not careful. There are many safety rules and procedures that can help us to prevent accidents, and so it is always very important for all of us to follow safety rules whenever we go. You have to write S for safe and U for unsafe child. Now safety on road. So we should always walk on the footpath. We should not run here and there on the road. We should cross the road only at zebra crossing. We should use subways wherever available to cross busy road. So while sitting in the car, never forget to buckle your seat belt. If you are on two-wheeler, wear your helmet. So as per the report, total 461,312 road accidents have been reported by India during the calendar 2000. Right, learn the traffic sign. Red light says stop. Yellow light say get ready and green light say go. By the following traffic lights, accident may be avoided up to great extent. So safety at home, we live in our house. We must keep ourselves safe by following the given safety. So we should never run up and down the stairs. We should keep the floor and stair clean and dry. We should not play with matches and knives in the kitchen. We should never work in the kitchen while wearing clothes made up of nylon and other synthetic fiber. We should avoid playing on the open terrace. Instead, playing the open field. We should never touch the electric wire and appliances with the wet hands and bare feet. So we should not touch the heaters and table fans while in use. We should turn the main switch off immediately in case of electric shock or electric spark. Now safety at school. So whenever you are in school, never bully others, right? So do not threaten the frightened other, never break a queue or push others while waiting. Never rush down the staircase or through the gate of your. Never race to get into the school. बहुत लोग बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि स्कूल बस जब आती है तो एकदम से रश करके भागते हैं. आपको वो नहीं करना है. Always keep your bag and water bottles at correct place. Safety at playground. We should never quarrel with others. We should play safe games. We should not jump unnecessarily. We should never push or pull anybody while playing. We should always follow the rules of the games. First aid. In spite of being careful, some accidents do happen. Accidents can hurt or injure us for a long time. In case of any accident, you should first inform adult or a doctor. So first aid is the aid or treatment given to injured before the arrival of the doctor. So in case of inquiry, when you come across a person injured, call the medical help and give first aid till the doctor arrives. Follow these steps while giving first aid. आपको काम रहना है, पैनिक नहीं होना है और जो इंजर्ड पर्सन है उसको एबल्स के आसपास क्राउड इकट्ठा नहीं करना. राइट, इन केस ऑफ स्मॉल कट्स, अगर बहुत छोटे कट हैं, लाइट वाउंड्स हैं, वाइप देम क्लियरली एंड व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल अप्लाई एन एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन. इफ अ पर्सन इज ब्लीडिंग सीवियरली, टाई लूजली बैंडेज ओवर अ बाउंड. जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, प्रिवेंट कर सकते हो एक्सपोजर टू जम्स. रेज द ब्लीडिंग पार्ट, जो भी ब्लीडिंग पार्ट है उसको आपको रेज करना है. इफ द पर्सन फेंट्स, डू नॉट क्राउड. अगर किसी को चक्कर आ गया, आपको क्या करना है, उसको क्राउड मतलब उसके आसपास इकट्ठा नहीं होना है. Always help him to breathe here. In case of burns, you will place the ice or chilled water on the burn part. So in case of deep wounds, so for wounds, cuts and scratches, first wash your own hands and then wash wounds under the running water. You will clean the wound with an antiseptic lotion. You will cover the wound with cotton, applying an antiseptic cream. Sometimes the cut can be deep and bleeding be excessive. In that case, you must try to stop the bleeding first by using tourniquet. It is a tight bandage that can be tightened further. जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, क्रॉस पीस मतलब एक स्टिक और पेंसिल के साथ उसको क्या कर सकते हो. रिमेंबर टू गो टू डॉक्टर एंड गेट एन एंटी टेटनस इंजेक्शन. डॉग, कैट, मंकीज एंड मेनी अदर स्टे एनिमल्स दे कैरी रेबी वायरस. इनके अंदर रेबी वायरस होता है. एंड इन केस ऑफ एनी एनिमल बाइट, इमीडिएटली व्हाट यू विल डू, जो भी आपका इफेक्टेड एरिया है ना, जहाँ पे आपको कट करा है या फिर जो भी है, आप उसको क्या करोगे, अच्छे से क्लीन वाटर से वॉश करोगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल वॉश इट प्रॉपर्ली एंड पुट अ एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन. इट प्रिवेंट्स जर्म्स फ्रॉम गेटिंग इनटू योर बॉडी. अप्लाई एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन एंड बैंडेज the wound if required. Take a victim to a doctor. In case of snake bite, let the poisonous blood flow. Do not try to stop the wound from bleeding. Tie a tourniquet above the bite to prevent poisonous blood from flowing into hurt. Immediately take a victim to the nearest doctor. Right? Snake poison can kill a person. और जो snake poison है वो क्या करता है, एक person को kill करता है. Right? So always keep a few important telephone number in a diary and till those of your parents, fire station, ambulance, police station and your doctor. Police का 100 है, fire station का 101, ambulance का 10. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.